step 2. We've thought about this idea of children's freedom and the dangers and what changed. And so now that I've thought about it some, I come back without looking at the original again, and I write my own version of it. All right, so you can pause and read my version here, and you'll see that my sentence structure is different from the original. If you remember the original, we're not concerned with the original right now, but I do have some ideas in here that are not unique to the original, and I have some that are. And so right now I have a paragraph that's in my own words completely. I think I have to go back and check it against the original again to be sure, but as it stands right now, it's plagiarized. All right, because I did take this date, this idea of the effect of the milk cartons, I took that from those 2 authors. And so I have to give them credit for it. And so in step 2, I'm just concerned with getting it all in my own words. And then in the next steps, I'm going to go back and make sure that none of the language is plagiarized because it's too close to the original, and I'm going to add the citations where I need them. Alright, so the important skill here is to be able to put this in my own words without using the method of every third word get out the thesaurus and put in a synonym. Alright, because that ends up with still a plagiarized passage because the sentence structure too closely follows that of the original authors. And B, it ends up with, I end up with a really lousy sounding paragraph. There's nothing good about the writing when I do that. And C, I sound like I don't really know what I'm talking about. All right, so in my first step, part of the point of thinking about this for a couple of days was for me to really process what this means, for me to be able to really understand it well enough that I can express it my own way.